everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel Easy English with Rafi and myself Rafi. I hope all of you are doing great and you guys are already started your English speaking journey. If you are not, then start from today onwards. So guys, today in this video I'll be talking about confidence and why it's so important to have confidence. Why while we are speaking in English, confidence, it's very important, right? So let's not waste any further time. Let's start this video. First of all, we have to understand what's the definition of confidence and why it's important to have confidence. So first thing which I wanted to talk about was the definition of confidence. That is how much willpower that you have to do something, and how usually you can do whatever you are planning to do, whatever things you want to do, how usually you can do. And if you're not getting any problem or any resistance in order to do that thing, it seems like you are having confidence to do that thing, right? So this is how we call this feeling confidence. And why it's important to have confidence, why you started your learning speaking English, because if you're not feeling confident, then you will not be able to speak in front of people or with anyone. Always you will think about your mistakes. And yes, these three things, making mistakes, grammar, and what people think, and all these kind of stuff, it comes in our mind while we think about start speaking our English journey. When we think that we need to talk with some people, all these things comes in our mind, and then we started feeling nervous. And once you are feeling nervous, then you are losing your confidence and things are not working, and you are not feeling that much confident enough to start your speaking journey or to start speaking with people, with anyone, right? So but if you are not feeling confident, if you're not feeling if you're not having that confidence to start your English speaking journey, then how it's possible that you can be a fluent speaker? Confidence is important in order to start doing anything, be it anything. Confidence, it's a very important and key factor for start something, start that thing what you wanted to start, right? So confidence is very, very important. And why we are not feeling confidence? Just because of we are feeling confident, we are feeling very interested for speaking in our native language. Why? Because we are used to use this language since our childhood, so we are not having that fear of making mistakes, right? Even though we are talking in our native language, still we make a lot of mistakes, right? But no one cares. But when it comes to English, people started judging us, right? So people become judgy, so that's why they started judging on our mistakes. That's fine. It's people's intention, so you have nothing to do with people's. Don't care about what people think, what people will say, what people think about me. No one cares. And in today's world, everyone is busy with their life. No one has time for you to think about you. You need to think about yourself, and you're wasting your time just to think about what others think about me if you are making mistakes. Confidence comes after, once you started feeling that making mistakes is not a crime. And to be very honest, in order to get your confidence in your speaking, you need to understand one thing. And most of the time we are feeling inconfident just to have this problem. We think that I don't know much grammar, I don't know a lot of vocabulary, and what if I will make any mistakes and people start laughing on me, and people will troll me, on all these kind of things. It comes in our mind. That's pretty natural. It's okay. We are human, so these things comes in our mind. It happens with everyone. But those people got succeed, who are who fought for it, and they overcome all this situation. So you need to start learning as well how to fight with all this problem and how to overcome all these things. And the first thing, which is very important, I feel I have to speak about this problem, that is fear of making mistakes. Maybe I have told already in my previous videos that making mistakes is a part of it's a part of learning. It's not a crime. So don't think about that making mistakes it's wrong. It's a very, very natural thing and common thing. When we are beginner, when we started learning, then as a beginner you are allowed to make mistakes as much as possible. Do make mistake, no matter whatever it is, do make mistakes as much as possible. If you're making mistakes, then it means you are creating an opportunity. You are creating an opportunity to learn from that mistake. And if you're not trying, if you're not speaking, then how you will realize that where you are making mistakes and what problem you are having, and in what point you need to work on in order to improve your fluency. So in order to know about those gaps, those points, you have to start speaking. Just remove those fears. Making mistakes, it's a part of learning. More you make mistake, more you learn quickly. So accept this fact, just tell yourself, tell your mind, I will never worry about to make mistake. And once you start having this mentality, your 50% problem will be solved. Yes, you heard me right. 50% of your problem will be, vanish after you accepting this thing in your mind somehow. Accept it that, okay, fine, I'm a beginner now. Whenever I'm talking to people as a beginner, I will make mistake, and that's completely fine. And I will learn from my mistake. And if someone is telling something that I'm making mistakes, so I will take those things as a feedback, and I need to work on it. Okay, it's might possible there are some people, they will criticize you on that thing, they will make fun of you, but don't care about those people. Maybe they are also not doing something which they are like feeling that I'm expert on. No, everyone is learning. Even communication skills, like especially speaking English, it's a like difficult task for we people. As I already said many times, that we are having this challenge that we don't have environment, don't have surrounding. So for we people, it's very important that we have to force ourselves to speak in this language every day. You need to get in touch with this language every day. So just don't think about those people, right? Just keep telling your mind that yes, I have to start speaking no matter whatever mistakes I'm going to make, but I will speak. I will speak every day at least for 10 minutes or 20 minutes. And while talking with people, it's fine that you are making mistakes as a beginner. By talking, automatically your mistakes and your error, whatever error you have in your English, automatically all those things going to be, removed from your, speaking things from your English. And in order to learn those basic grammar as well, listening is very important. You need to listen. Listening is equally important like speaking. You need to listen something and then speak, listen and then speak. It's a like side by side process. When you are listening to this language, find some of the good people and good speaker on internet, on YouTube. Try to watch their videos, try to observe how they are talking, how they are pronouncing some of the words, like in what context they are using, their facial expressions, everything. You need to give proper attention while you are listening something. Try to observe what they are saying and grab those things and use those observation, use those learning when you are speaking with some people. Try to it's a kind of shadowing process. Do those stuff. And again, I'm telling you, maybe you're not doing it like 100% accurately what you have saw in those videos, but it's okay, fine. If you're doing it 20% or 30%, that is also acceptable. Keep doing these kind of stuffs every day, and by the time goes on, you will start learning by yourself. Automatically you will grabbing everything from whatever you're listening. It will stored in your mind, and automatically you will be able to speak those words, those sentences what your mind is used to listen all the time, right? So, and then you will be feeling confident. So this is how you can improve your confidence. Like, just tell yourself that okay, accept this thing that making mistakes, it's a part of learning. I will make mistake. And second thing, if somebody is trying to make fun of my bad English right now as a beginner, okay, I will take it positively. I will work on it. I will take their feedbacks and I will work on those points. I will improve. Accept this and accept and motivate yourself more and more to get in touch with this language, to do regular practice. Consistency is important for learning any language. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, don't treat this like English as a subject. When you are learning a language, don't treat this as a subject, treat this as a language, right? And do culture about these things more and more. Listen, read, write and speak. Listen, read, write and speak. Do these things every day. Automatically you will be started grabbing a lot of words, a lot of sentences and a lot of confidence. And confidence comes little by little, right? It's not like with the very first day that you will be started feeling 100% confident. No, maybe you are having only 10% or 20%. So start with those 10 and 20% confidence, and more time goes on, you will start grabbing confidence. Like after a week you will be having 30%, and after a month you will be having 50%. And this is how it will work, right? The more you speak, more you spend on this language, more you confidence gonna feel, right? And this has happened with me as well personally. When I was a beginner, I was not having that much confidence, right, to speak with the people. But right now, there is nothing that I feel that is kind of resisting me for speaking. Even see, right now I'm recording this video and I don't really have any fear in my mind that whether I'm making mistakes or not. Maybe like I'm also making a lot of mistakes while I'm recording this video. Maybe you will find a lot of mistakes in my videos always as well, but it doesn't, like, it's not bothering me for recording myself. No, now I have this much of guts to record myself as well. So I don't care about my mistakes. I feel like, yeah, I can talk with anyone in this world, and this confidence I have got after I spend a lot of efforts in this language. I spend a lot of times. So that's the reason being I'm asking you guys as well. Start spend sometimes every, like not sometimes, every day spend some short, like some particular times, like example for 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Start spending this like certain time every day in your life in this language, and then automatically you will be started feeling confident and started feeling, you can say relatable, and you will be like started getting confidence gradually, right? So yeah, that's all about today's video. And like it's really important to have confidence. If I don't really have confidence, then I won't be able to speak in front of you guys. So I have that confidence, and I have got this by all these methods, and you can try as well to to get your confidence as well. And again, I'm telling you, it's a very important thing to understand, because like this is the main cause of not having that much confidence. If you're saying that I'm not getting confident while I'm speaking, maybe this is the most problem, and everyone face these issues, that they are worrying about making mistakes. They are having this mentality. They thought that making mistakes, it's a crime. That's why they are not ready to make mistakes. That's why they are not feeling confident for speaking. But to be very honest, guys, and my beloved friends, please try to understand, making mistakes is a part of learning. So do make mistakes as much as possible, and take it positively, and start your speaking more and more, as much as you can every day. Involve yourself with this language, surround yourself with this language. Read, write, listen, and speak. You will be able to speak fluent English very soon. So that's all for today's video. I don't want to make it longer, so I will be meeting you in another video next time. And if you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and show your support, so that we can learn together, we can grow together, guys. Please share this video with your friends, whosoever needs this kind of information, and I will see you in the next time. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a good day.